How to tip your Uber driver. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video we will see how we can tip the Uber driver if you're not sure how you can do it. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, make a ride request on Uber. Select your destination and your pickup location, and after your ride ends or after your trip ends, Uber will ask you to rate your driver from 1 to 5 stars. So make sure that you rate your Uber driver, and after you rate, you will see at the tip screen. Pick the preset amount or enter your own tip if you want to provide tip to your driver. So in that way, you could tip your driver after your ride's end. But in case if you missed the prompt to tip your driver, and if you want to do that later, what you can do is head over to activity, and under your activity, you will find all of your trip. So select your trip. Then under that trip, you could add a tip. Pick up your drive, add a tip, and that's it. Once submitted, your driver gets the full tip, no fees taken. That's it. That's how you can tip your driver in Uber, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.